Okay guys, so stay tuned. I'm going to show you how I did an infusible ink transfer onto a canvas blank that I just got at my local Walmart. So stay tuned. Do this infusible ink project again. This is the project you're going to see me make. I'm going to show you how I did it though. It's very simple. So the canvas I'm using is a 8x10, but I only have the small Easy Press, and you need it to cover the whole project. So the Easy Press is a 6x7. So when you get a square, so shape, square, you need to unlock it so we can make it oblong like this. And we're going to go up here to go 6 inches wide and 7 inches tall. Okay, so you can see here it matches up. And remember, with the infusible ink, I like for it to cut it out completely, not do the kiss cut that it does. So we need to duplicate this as always, and I do it 2 more times. Select them, go to Align, Center, and remember to hit Attach. Now it's going to cut that square out 3 times so we can easily weed this. And the design here was from, I hope I remember. Let's go to Images. It was cat. So I typed in, I'm glad it saved that. And it was down here somewhere. Let's see. Right here. And we'll insert. And we just eyeball this again because again it really doesn't have to be. All right. Now remember, with this having wording, you must mirror this or it will not be right. But I'll show you how to do that here real quick. So get it to where you want it. Remember, you want to leave a little bit on the edges here. You don't want to be too close. So that's pretty close. And then you just need to attach it. So select it all, hit attach. And now it's all attached. It's just like this one. All right. So it's very, very simple. And then go to make it. Remember, we have to mirror, or it's not going to read right. Continue. All right, we're going to do the infusible ink sheet, the blade and everything. And I like to always do the fast mode. All right, we'll show you now how to do it when it gets done. All right, guys, so I'm going to show you real quick too on the heat guide. Since we're doing a canvas, I'm going to use we already got the heat transfer material. Well, we don't have it, but we got to click for infusible ink transfer sheet. For the material, we're just going to do the tote bag, which is canvas tote bag that Cricut sells. So apply. We also, remember, we have the Cricut Easy Press 2. We have the regular Easy Press, click on that one, or the Mini. So here it's telling us 385 for 40 seconds. And you have to put the Easy Press pad down, protector, then the item, then the butcher paper. I can't say that right. And you can always change it to Celsius if you want to here, if you need Celsius. So 385 and 40 seconds. So that's what we'll set our Easy Press up to. All right? All right, guys, so it's been cut. And then here's a perfect reason why I like using the template like the square, is it saves. I already had something here I did. And so even though the square is going to be outside the line, our actual project is this heart, it's not going to be bothered because it's not touching that. So that's why I like doing the template too. It saves you on the infusible ink pretty good. So as always, you take things off this way. You see how easy that is? You just have 2 nice squares here we can use for projects. All right. So, as I've been talking before in my previous videos, let's get some gloves on. This will keep from rubbing off the ink. Because this has got some weeding to do and I don't want to rub it off. All right, so the first thing is going to be the big part here. And it kind of helps to get a corner started. And it just pulls up like this. Pretty cool. Very easy to do. And you can always save this for something too. And now for the little pieces, you mainly just really have to bend them a little bit and they should pop up. Alright guys, so now I like to roll it up just a little bit here, the opposite way. Be kind of careful. This will help make it lay down flat on the project. You really want that. Alright, so our heat, let's go ahead and get our, actually first I'm going to remove this here. Remember, you don't want your cutting mat down here when you're going to be applying the heat. It will cause it to bubble. So I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I'm out removed here, and we're going to turn on our easy press here. Oh, might help to actually have it plugged in. And we're going to go to 385, and for only 40 seconds. We got to go way down here. All right, so let's put this to the side and let it warm up. And now, again, since this is going to be an experiment, you need to keep your surfaces flat and as clean as possible. So I kind of made this here. So the inside of here, I measured and cut a piece of watercolor paper. I'm going to put that in there. Okay, and then I also made some cardboard. So I got two pieces here that we can slide in a little bit to the edge here. It'll help lock all that in. And this one I kind of built up a little bit with some scrap pieces of cardboard to put right in the middle. And then we'll use our pad here. I'm going to put it on here like this, and we'll flip it over. See, this is this side down. And that shouldn't create a good solid base, because you know this is hollow inside, and we don't want that not to have a good pressure. So now we're going to apply this. I'm just going to put this in the middle here. All right. Now we're going to get our heat resistant tape. And you want to put it on the side. Remember, you always want to do on the sides first and make sure these stay down. Because if it doesn't stay down real good, it's not going to transfer correctly. Okay. Now, the secret's going to be trying to get this onto here so it covers every bit of it. And let's start it, and let's cross our fingers here. I'm going to just put my hands on top, just have my hands as pressure. All right, it's done. Lift straight up. And that actually pulled up on its own here. And you guys notice one thing I forgot to do was butcher paper. That was a no-no. But it did not hurt my easy press at all. But this definitely curled up, and I was not expecting that. So since it's already curled up, let's go ahead and pull it up and let's see what happened. Oh my gosh, that is so cool. Let's do, a few of these didn't come off there. That turned out really cool. I am actually impressed with this. A little bit of light here, as you can see here, it didn't all come off of this part. And that very well could be the fact because I didn't use a butcher paper, or we should maybe left it on there a little longer. But this turned out great.
Home is where the cat is. I love this. And as these pieces here are okay to remove. And that's kind of what it looks like on the inside. So it worked really well. I'm really shocked how well this worked. But, so you guys can obviously do canvas prints. So if you guys like this video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and share it across your social media. That helps spread my YouTube channel and to grow it. And if you guys want to, leave comments and we'll see what else we can come up with. Thank you guys. Bye.